Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new. I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on this channel, and today we're going to be doing just some simple but effective DIYs for my new apartment. I don't really have that much decor going on other than these, throw pillows right here, but I just picked out 3 quick and simple things just to spruce up my apartment a little bit. I'm purchasing my decor little by little and doing little upgrades here and there just so I can curate a really cozy apartment for myself. That was just really important to me for this apartment because I'm so busy in Jacksonville. I have so much going on. So I really wanted this to be beautiful, and I just wanted to love coming home to this apartment. All of the products that I mentioned in today's video, I'm going to link down below. That way you have access to the things I use and the decor pieces that I bought. So let's just jump right into the DIYs. So the first project I did was I took a ginger jar and I spray painted it multiple times with a Rust-Oleum spray paint. I think it turned out really well. I should have used a primer, but I didn't in this specific one. I just took a ginger jar that I had gotten from TJ Maxx, didn't use a base coat or anything. I spray painted it with 3 to 4 coats. Now I did have a little mishap with the lid. I kind of dropped it as I was spray painting it, so it lost a thick layer of spray paint on the top, and then I tried to respray paint it and it just gave it a ton of texture, and I personally don't mind because I'm really going after that stoneware feel. I wanted some natural elements in this space, and I really wanted to bring in some antiqued and textured looking pieces into the room. I saw a ton of vases on Pottery Barn that I thought were absolutely beautiful, but they were huge. They were more like floor vases, and I didn't really want something that huge for the space. I definitely want something big, but I'm still on the lookout for another larger vase to put here. But I think it came out really well. It was so simple. I couldn't find anything in this color, so I think using the Rust-Oleum spray paint was a really good idea, and it dries so fast. I had to let it dry for about, I want to say 5 hours after I had initially put my coats on. I would spray and then wait about 5 minutes and then spray another coat. And then I waited 5 hours for it to fully cure before I could put it on my credenza. So the next project that I did was I got some very beautiful frames from Anthropologie. You can get them anywhere. Amazon has some really good options. I'll link them down below. But I was looking for a very specific kind of look, and I found them in the Anthropologie frames. I just printed some pictures out from CVS, picked them up, and then I was able to put them in my frames, and they were just so beautiful. So I like using my picture frames as kind of standout decor pieces. That way there's minimal decor, but I still have those cozy feelings seeing pictures of me with family. And I definitely need to go print out more. I just wanted to start here with the first round of picture frames that I had got. I think they're so beautiful, and the quality is amazing on them. I had purchased 5 of the frames from Anthropologie, and then one of the frames was actually from World Market, and it was very affordable, and it's such a sturdy marble, so definitely check it out if you're looking for a marble frame. I thought it was absolutely perfect for the look I was going for. Now the last DIY project that I did was I wanted to kind of spruce up my bathroom space. I had all of these empty bins that I put all of my products into my bathroom, and I got them from Target, and I really loved the look, but I was kind of forgetting where I was putting certain things just because it was such a big space, so I was able to get so many bins. So I went on Amazon and bought these little bin clips, and then I went to Canva. So Canva is basically a website that helps you create any digital media. It's so great. I love it so much. I'm kind of new to it, so I found a wedding label. It's really funny. I just thought it was so cute. So I found the wedding label, and then I typed in everything that I wanted on my labels for the bins. I think it came out really cute, and now I can find everything super simple. So I just printed these out on photo paper that I got from Amazon. door. This is what we have to work with. I have all of the labels right here, and I'm just gonna put them on now. We have 16 to get through. The really clean look it gave. It was kind of just like the creamy neutrals and whites, and you guys know that's like my thing, obviously. So I think that DIY was also super effective. Here is our before. This is what we're working with. All of these baskets. Happy this project is finally done. I've been waiting to do it for so many, like basically since we moved in. I just wanted to do it on camera for you guys, and this is the first day I had time to do that. So isn't it so nice? I'm gonna know where everything is, and when I need Nick to get something, he'll know exactly where to look. Here's a box of other projects that I wanted to work on, like these frames. And then these ones I got from IKEA, but I think that's gonna have to be for another video. Let me know if you guys want to see it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video and you want me to keep updating you on the things that I do around my apartment, please like this video so I know that you guys are enjoying this content. I put a lot of effort into this and I hope it showed. I'm really trying to produce more creative videos here on YouTube. All of these DIYs were relatively affordable and I'm super happy about that, other than the Anthropologie frames. Those can get a little bit pricey, so watch out for deals. And if you want to, hit the little notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. And feel free to subscribe if you've already watched to the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.